Now that we found our middle C on the piano and some other Cs too, we're now going to learn our first scale. Now a scale is a set pattern of notes that goes up or down on your instrument. Now the C major scale is the easiest scale that we learn on the piano because it's simply all the white notes only. So we're going to start with our right hand thumb, starting with our thumb on middle C. Now remember your posture, nice straight back, relaxed shoulders, slight bend in your arm, wrist in line and curvy hands. And it goes something like this. 1, 2, 3. Now when you get to that third finger, your thumb will then tuck underneath to the next white note. And from here we go 2, 3, 4, and then 5. Now once you get to that pinky finger, which is number 5, we go back the other way, going 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now when you get to your thumb, which is number 1, your middle finger, which is number 3, will go over the top to the next white note, and we go 3, 2, and 1. And the whole thing looks and sounds like this. And that is the right hand. We're now going to switch over and do our left hand this time. But with our left hand, we don't start with our thumb, we actually start with our pinky finger, which is number 5. So let's place our 5th finger onto the C. And from here, we go 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now when you get to your thumb, which is the number 1, the middle finger, which is number 3, will go over the top to the next white note, and we go 3, 2, and then 1. Now when you get to your thumb, which is number 1, we go back the other way, going 2, 3, and then from this position, your thumb will tuck underneath to the next white note, and we go 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5. And the whole thing looks and sounds like this. So now that we've done hands separately, we're going to try with both hands at the same time, nice and slowly. So right hand thumb on the C, left hand pinky on the C, below it, and together it looks and sounds like so. And that right there is your C major scale, both with your right hand, left hand, and hands together as well.